Welcome back to the channel, The $25 Investor, where we break down how small, consistent investments can grow into something truly life-changing over time. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start building wealth? What if just $25 a week, yes, just $25, could actually set you up for financial freedom in the future? Most people think investing is only for the wealthy. They think you need big money, insider knowledge, or perfect timing. But that's not true. The reality is much simpler and honestly much more powerful. Consistency beats intensity. On this channel, we focus on a simple idea: investing small amounts of money every single week into high-quality companies. Over time, this builds momentum, and that momentum can turn into serious wealth. Today, we're going to break down one specific company that has caught the attention of long-term investors, AbbVie. We're going to explore what happens if you invest just $25 a week into this company, not just for 1 year, but for 5 years, 10 years, even 30 years. Because here's the truth: wealth is not built overnight. It's built over time with discipline, patience, and a system that works. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how powerful that system can be. Section 2, Introduction: Navigating the Market Chaos. The market feels like chaos right now. One day it's soaring, the next day it's crashing. It drops in the morning, recovers by midday, then falls apart again before the closing bell. It feels unpredictable, unstable, and honestly exhausting for most people watching from the sidelines. Some investors are panicking. Others are chasing quick profits, jumping in and out of stocks, hoping to strike it rich overnight. That mindset is everywhere, and it's one of the fastest ways to lose money. But then there are investors like us. We step back and ask a different question. Where is the opportunity in all this noise? Because opportunity doesn't disappear during volatility, it actually increases. Today, I'm going to show you how to stay grounded and focused during times like these. More importantly, I'm going to walk you through a simple, repeatable process that doesn't rely on guessing or timing the market. This is not about being a Wall Street expert. This is about being consistent. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need insider information. What you need is discipline. The biggest mistake people make is reacting emotionally. They see a stock going up and feel like they're missing out. They see it dropping and feel like they need to sell immediately. That's not investing, that's gambling. Instead, we ignore the noise. We invest on a schedule. Whether the market is up or down, we continue putting money into strong companies or broad market funds. Sometimes we buy at higher prices, sometimes we buy at lower prices. Over time, it averages out, and that's where the power lies. Today, we're applying that exact strategy to AbbVie, investing just $25 a week and letting time do the heavy lifting. Section 3, What is AbbVie and why it matters? So what exactly is AbbVie and why should investors pay attention to it? AbbVie is a global pharmaceutical company that focuses on developing advanced medicines for some of the world's most complex health conditions. This includes areas like immunology, oncology, neuroscience, and aesthetics. One of its most well-known drugs was Humira, which became one of the highest-selling drugs in the world. Even as that product faces competition, AbbVie has been actively expanding its portfolio with new treatments and acquisitions. This is important because strong pharmaceutical companies don't rely on just one product. They build pipelines, future drugs that can generate revenue for years or even decades. AbbVie also stands out for another reason: dividends. It has a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends to shareholders. That means when you invest in this company, you're not just hoping the stock price goes up, you're also getting paid along the way. This combination of growth and income makes it attractive for long-term investors. And when you pair that with a consistent investment strategy, like putting in $25 every week, you create a system that works regardless of short-term market movements. Section 4, AbbVie vs. S&P 500 performance. Let's compare AbbVie to the broader market, specifically the S&P 500, often tracked by funds like SPY. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 has delivered an average growth rate of about 20%. AbbVie, during that same 3-year period, has grown at approximately 13.21%. At first glance, it might seem like the broader market is outperforming, but when we zoom out, the story changes. Over 5 years, the S&P 500 has grown at about 13.65% annually. AbbVie, on the other hand, has delivered around 18.43%. That's a significant difference. And over 10 years, the S&P 500 averages about 15.72%, while AbbVie comes in at approximately 18.22%. This shows something important. Short-term performance can be misleading. Long-term performance is what truly matters. AbbVie has proven that it can compete and even outperform the broader market over extended periods. Section 5. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Section 6. AbbVie Growth Rates. Now let's take a deeper look at the growth performance of AbbVie, because understanding growth is one of the most important parts of long-term investing. Over the past 3 years, AbbVie has delivered an average annual growth rate of approximately 13.21%. Now, at first glance, that might not sound extremely high compared to some high-growth technology companies. But here's what makes this number important. It represents consistent and relatively stable growth in a defensive sector. Healthcare is not a trend, it is a necessity. People will always need medicine, treatments, and healthcare solutions regardless of what the economy is doing. That gives companies like AbbVie a level of stability that many other industries simply do not have. Now let's move to the 5-year growth rate. Over 5 years, AbbVie has grown at approximately 18.43% annually. This is a strong number, especially when you consider that it includes periods of economic uncertainty, market volatility, and changing healthcare dynamics. This tells us that AbbVie is not just surviving, it is adapting and expanding. Finally, over the past 10 years, AbbVie has delivered an average annual growth rate of about 18.22%. This is where things get really interesting. A 10-year growth rate above 18% shows long-term strength, strong management execution, and the ability to continuously generate revenue and profit over time. For long-term investors, consistency across multiple time frames is one of the strongest signals you can look for. AbbVie is not just a short-term performer, it is a long-term compounder. Section 7. Capital Investment. $25 weekly. Now let's talk about your actual investment, your money going into the market. If you invest $25 every single week into AbbVie, your yearly contribution becomes $1,300. That may not sound like a huge amount, but remember, this is about consistency, not size. After 5 years, you will have invested a total of $6,500. At 10 years, your total investment reaches $13,000. At 15 years, you have contributed $19,500. At 20 years, your total investment becomes $26,000. At 25 years, you reach $32,500, and after 30 years, your total contribution is $39,000. Now here's the key idea. This is only the money you put in. This does not include growth, compounding, or dividends. This is just your effort, your discipline, your consistency. The real magic happens when time and compounding begin to work on top of this foundation. Section 8. $25 weekly investment growth. Let's now combine your contributions with growth. If you invest $25 per week into AbbVie, after 5 years, your total investment of $6,500 grows to approximately $8,646. Now notice what just happened. You invested $6,500, but your portfolio is worth more than that. That difference is your money working for you. At 10 years, your total contribution of $13,000 grows to approximately $25,548. Now the growth is becoming more noticeable. You are not just adding money, you are multiplying it. At 15 years, your investment grows to approximately $43,036. This is where compounding starts to accelerate. Your money is now generating returns, and those returns are generating even more returns. This is the turning point for many long-term investors. Section 9. $50 weekly investment. Detailed. Now let's double the investment to $50 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $2,600. After 5 years, you have invested $13,000 and your portfolio grows to approximately $17,292. At 10 years, your investment of $26,000 grows to about $51,097. Now, something important is happening here. Your growth is starting to significantly outpace your contributions. At 15 years, your investment grows to approximately $86,073. By simply doubling your weekly contribution, you are dramatically increasing your long-term outcome. Section 10. $100 weekly investment. Now let's take it a step further. At $100 per week, your yearly investment becomes $5,200. After 5 years, your total investment of $26,000 grows to approximately $34,584. At 10 years, your $52,000 grows to approximately $102,195. You have now crossed 6 figures. At 15 years, your investment grows to approximately $172,147. This is where consistency starts turning into real wealth. Section 11. $150 weekly investment. At $150 per week, your yearly investment becomes $7,800. After 5 years, your investment grows to approximately $51,876. At 10 years, it grows to approximately $153,293. At 15 years, your portfolio reaches approximately $258,220. Now we are entering a completely different level of financial growth. Section 12. $200 weekly investment. At $200 per week, your yearly investment becomes $10,400. After 5 years, your investment grows to approximately $69,168. At 10 years, it grows to approximately $204,391. At 15 years, your portfolio reaches approximately $344,294. At this level, your investments are working just as hard as you are. Section 13. $250 weekly investment. At $250 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $13,000. After 5 years, your investment grows to approximately $86,461. At 10 years, it grows to approximately $255,489. At 15 years, your portfolio reaches approximately $430,367. Now compounding is doing the heavy lifting. Section 14. $300 weekly investment. Detailed. At $300 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $15,600. After 5 years, your investment grows to approximately $103,753. At 10 years, it grows to approximately $306,587. At 15 years, your portfolio reaches approximately $516,441. This is the power of scaling your consistency. Section 15. Conclusion. So what does all of this mean? It means that investing just $25 a week into AbbVie can create a powerful financial future over time. Not because of luck, not because of perfect timing, but because of discipline and consistency. And if you increase your weekly investment to $50, $100, $200, or even $300, the results grow exponentially. In the next video, we're going to explore other major companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Amazon, and Alphabet. And we'll compare them to see which one has the potential to turn small weekly investments into long-term wealth. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Because your journey to financial freedom might just start with $25 a week. Thank you for watching.